So the students here at the Scuola, Civica, Musica, Claudio, Abbado, they are very, very different. Everyone has his own personality. Every cellist has a different way of playing. And for me, it's very interesting to meet all those young guys here. And I cannot say there's one way to reach them, or there's nothing you can say I have to tell every student, because every student is so different. Some need support in technical things for the cello playing. Some need support, listen to themselves also. Some don't need almost anything because they are such accomplished musicians, especially the very young musicians here. The young cellists have a wonderful quality, and I really feel honored to teach them. Teach is not the right expression, to listen to them and then maybe give a little advice, but you don't always need to give advice, or you don't always need to tell, do like this, do like that. That's the wrong way. I can suggest something, and if they want to take it, and if they feel it's better, my version, then they take it. If they feel their version is better, then they stay with their version. This is the way of making music. So this is a Francesco Ruggeri cello, so it's made in Cremona. He was a neighbor of Antonio Stradivari, so he lived at the same time in the same town, in the same street. And I think Ruggeri cellos are almost as valuable as Stradivari violins. It's 350 years old, so made in 1675. It's not my own instrument, but I can play it through the orchestra. This is my great pleasure. So I have it now since 31 years, and when I started to play with it, it was totally different from now. But I only think maybe that the cello is different. Maybe I have changed myself, because this instrument has its own personality. I remember when I went to Sicilia in February, in winter. In Germany it was minus whatever temperature, in Sicilia it was plus 25. I was shocked how much the instrument reacted on this climate change. I had big difficulties to play the concert in the evening. But now, since a long time, we grow together like an old couple, you know. We are married in a way. And now it's like a part of my body, and I don't have any more difficulties. I think it was me who had to change, yeah. I felt very lucky to become member of Berliner Philharmoniker. I can do the music I was used to do before I entered the orchestra. It was not change for me. It was just continuing the same way of playing. And this is the good side of our orchestra, that every member is like a soloist, and a soloist listening to the others. And Claudio Abbado, my first chief conductor there, he always told us to listen to each other, and this was the main thing, and that was the first thing I learned in this orchestra, that it's important to listen to whatever instrument is playing. It's important to know what is happening in the orchestra.